Good morning, friends. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing what exactly the tour of duty and what exactly the benefits and pros and cons. How the decision has been taken by the government of India. And as you can see, I have a YouTube channel that name is Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Please go through whatever has been given in my playlist. You will find maximum question papers for all competitive defense examinations as well as paramilitary examinations. So I'll just go through whatever has been given in my slides, and you can even go follow on Facebook ICTA Kadri. And I request you guys, if you want any kind of study material, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me on this 7667302252. I will send you the GK and GS material for your good preparation for the defense as well as central government jobs. So you are free to call, and it's all free purpose. It's not like a money based. It's all free PDF. You can call me and let us see what exactly the slides have been given. So how the selection procedure will be there and what exactly has to be done is pros and cons. As we can see, the pros, online mode will be applications as usual. There is no like change in this, and online will be there, and there is no cons. That's the whatever the selection will be, there will be on the online mode only. And the physical and written examination, as you can see, the physical and written, the standard of the physical examination may be reduced automatically because we have to induct the various people, and maximum option has to be given. So the whole content of this is so what exactly we can't expect the people like good physical standard, and the government utilizes them and they can groom easily. So the government grooms all the individuals in training centers depending on their health conditions as well as physical conditions. So he will be given a respective jobs and respective profiles. And frequency of examination, obviously the frequency will be increased for the tour of duty guys, and what exactly the normal whatever the selection will be there, that can be automatically reduced because of the increasing in the tour of duty selections. As we can see, this selection process you will find in various places like abroad. You will find in Singapore Navy, so where the people are less, and they want the people to compulsory do for 4 to 5 years and then they have to go for civil jobs. But in India we have various youth options, like we have youth are very interested in our nation serving this kind of services. So we don't have any problem in doing the compulsory. Depends on if the people are not coming for selection, then only it can be happened. So now not yet it has been happened. So merit and cutoff level, as we are aware that merit and cutoff level of the people, so obviously it gets decreased as compared to the previous one, because previously we have to, there was like 1:3 ratio or 1:5 ratio. In Navy it's like 1:10 ratio. So prior it was merit will be like increases gradually in the normal one if they have conducted the normal selection. So obviously the merit selection will be increased, but in the case of tour of duty the merit will be very less. So because they have to induct the people. Training period, as you are aware that the training period automatically gets lessened because the training period that will be in such a manner in the on job training will be there. So for the effective utilization of the manpower, the government utilizes the manpower on job field only. Wherever the places like green zone, they will be utilized for the security persons as well. And then effective utilization will be there for the government, and on-job training will be sent. So you will be given directly on-job training, and talented individual be given respective fields. Whoever has got the talent in their computers, as well as if he is good in power of command, if he is good in somewhere where he can do some activities like he can drive or something like that, so he can be given those options to do that. And next exam induction is less period, so you'll have the maximum induction intervals. You'll have the various people doing various activities, so maximum induction will be there. And if you see the cons or disadvantages, activities be involved. So like as you can see here, the whatever the activities, you will be directly doing those activities and whatever the functions without any proper training, not like prior. So you will be given a less training period and posted in less time. You will be posted in the places as a on job training. You will be starting working over there, and you will be given a good payment as well. It's not problem of payment. Individual grooming, as we are aware that individuals in a personal development, like he will be given various fields of sports exactly before the trainings will be given for the sports field, and whoever is good at sports, he will be encouraged. So automatically, not only sports, whatever the talent he has got, that can be normally it can be affected. So induction gets affected. Obviously now the proper normal whatever we are doing, the actual personal with the talented people, that normal selection will be affected, because here you will have the greater effect on this normal selection. We are aware that how the selection process and the standard of examinations and the evaluation and the cutoff list, everything it's in a good manner. So obviously compared to the tour of duty, this get obviously affected. Discipline of individual law, there is a great change in the, obviously every individual of the person, like whoever is youth, he will get involved and he will learn various things, and he realizes the value of the money once he start getting the money after working for 24 hours for 30 days. Then he gets the payment, then the value of the money obviously he will understand. So he will be, that living standard has to be maintained to be in the service. Streamlined in his career, obviously he will get streamlined in his career. He will realize the value of the time. He will work towards the civilian whatever. After the 3 years of job, he will start making his career more valuable, because after having the gap of 3 years, you will not get morning to evening, you will not get such a good time to go through studies. So he will have the gap in the education, so he start working. He will have the streamline in his career. And the cons, as you can see, he will have the less time to learn in the services, because the 3 years period is very less, and so the time period over there, the training gets affected. So he will have the greater effect on his training. So obviously he will be little bit less opportunity to learn. So he will adapt economic life. Obviously once he start living in the defense area, so he will have the standard of living. There are pros and cons. You have to adapt the way of living over there. You can't have your own fundamental rights there. You will have to adapt such a life in wherever the places you stay. And the standard obviously not like before. Whoever is poor, that can be more good for them, and whoever is rich, that can be little bit affected for them. And you will have the economic life overall. You will understand the value of the money. Standard effects, obviously like if you this kind of maintaining the standard of uniforms, as well as your kits and whatever the facilities they provided, and you have to maintain and upkeep your standard, and that directly affects your economy. So both the sides and the mirror, as you can see, the streamlining in his career, that depends on your own individual, whether you want to take the like you want to pursue the graduation or with the open university or whatever. That depends on the both the sides of the person. Alacrity of the individual on duty, as you can see, alacrity means it's alertness. Actually there is a on-job errors be considered. Obviously with the short duration, you will be considered for the small mistakes, and you will not be given any kind of punishments like before, and you will be treated with amicably. And the interested individual will learn various fields. If anyone is there with the good field, so he can learn whatever he wants to learn with the self individual interest, if he is interested to learn. Next we have the good opportunity for interested ones. Obviously if you are interested, then you will have the various opportunities will be given by the government, and you will learn a lot, and you will be encouraged also. Maybe extended their services. So obviously the services timing, what is service timing, you will be extended if you are good at your function, and you are work efficiency is good, then you will be recognized and you will be given permission for the further signing of the whatever the service you are doing it. So there is no tension of having only 3 years. That depends on the individual performance also. That discretion, that government will have those kind of powers also. You may be sent out on a job mistakes. If you do any kind of job mistakes and indiscipline activities, obviously you will be sent without any kind of mercy on it. Learning interest will be for less people, because it's a short term period. The interest on the individuals will be little bit less as compared to the 15 years. So because they will come with the different economical way of thinking, and whoever is like that, so I'm very sorry for those guys, because you will be kicked out of the defense forces if your activities and your interest towards defense will be less. So if these kind of people will get really kicked out, depends on individual. Obviously good opportunities, that depends only on the individuals. If he is good at opportunities, he can learn more, otherwise he can start functioning on different fields. Depends on the situation and requirements. Maybe the extension of the services wholesale on the government and your wherever you are working and their senior officers with your performance and activities. So any VRS quota in civil jobs, obviously you will be given a small reservation in adding normal civil jobs. Whenever you start writing examinations, you may be given some kind of opportunity. This guy is worked so in the field, in a various fields like sub inspector, constable, or anything, any jobs like railway police force examinations, you will be given little bit preferences, and you will be like there are various paramilitary forces also. If you want to join there, you can directly join into them. So after giving this kind of training for the youth, so you'll have the option on the security wise jobs. You will have the reservation, not like in every places, and you'll be affected normal people count. Obviously normal, whoever is like inducting through normal recruitment procedure, those people can really be affected, because the number of persons in the youth will be maximum, and the normal induction procedure obviously gets affected. So here extension of service, as we are aware, that depends on the individual interest. If he is interested to continue that can be done. And the performance, if he is doing good, obviously the service personnel, if they are doing good and their requirement is more essential in those areas, so obviously he will be sent good training and the performance will be utilized by the government. Health conditions, yeah, he has to be fit and fiddle for examinations, like future physical requirement or any kind of greater courses, any further courses, he has to be, health conditions should be good. And the defense requirement depends on the services requirement also. You will be given extension of service. He has here the cons, because he has got a choice whether he wants to do or he want to quit. If he thinks that he wants to do good in the civil, then he can come after serving 3 years for the defense, and he can come out and he can do whatever he wants. Individual's perception, you can see individual view, as we are aware that individual is if he is interested in to do like doing some any kind of civilian jobs, that is on their view he can do. And if he think that I am doing good and I am not getting any kind of benefit, so he can quit and come back after 3 years. So good, and then go. So if your health condition is good and it's not good, then if it is better to quit, because the health has to be fit and fiddle, and you can come out and you can do whatever activities you want. That depends on the individual itself. Government discretion, obviously government start functioning on it, and if government feels like that is good, and it can go further, and otherwise it can come back. Next we have the impact of normal selection. Obviously it will be the greater effect on the normal selection procedure, and pension will be stopped and gratuity also will be stopped. There is no pension will be further. You will have the pension service and whatever the benefits of it. Slowly the selection will be stopped, and new procedure will be introduced. So as we are aware that this, if it gets succeeded, the normal selection will be automatically stopped. That is common sense. So the selection will be stopped, and what are the selection procedure and what are the benefits and what are the length of services, that depends on the service itself. Good initiative by government. Overall, I can say this is a good initiative, and what in some areas government has to monitor, and few selections has to be like the extension of the services has to be there with the good performance of individual and health conditions, and the government utilizes the money in aids and technology. Obviously, government utilizes in improving the various aids, and technology can be advanced, and weapons and all we can induct into the defense, so that can be utilized for the age factor. Obviously, you will have the young defense force personnel, and this will be greater impact on the Indian defense. So the youth will be given various options for the greater growth in the defense forces, as well as we can utilize young forces in the defense and energetic forces. Obviously, when there is a youth, you will have the energetic forces over there compared to other people. Like if you have the age between up to 25 years, then you will be greater benefit for the every individual, as well as for defense with the energetic defense force personnel. Effective utilization of youth. Obviously, you will have the utilization of the youth, you will have the more options, you will earn the money near about for the 3 years period, you will you will earn near about 20 lakhs near about money. That money can be very useful for the individual's growth. And job options for the youth, you will have the maximum job options for the youth by giving the reservation. So overall, it will be good. Everyone gets benefited to survive in society with the same amount. So overall, you will have the such a nice opportunity for each and every personnel, and they will live with the economical standard, and they though they had learned in defense forces with the value of money, that can directly impact on the personal. Good opportunity for the youth to serve the nation. It's a good opportunity actually. Whoever is hot-blooded and they want to serve for the defense, and they want to be a part of society, so they can directly, it's a good opportunity for them. Interested one may learn a lot in time. So whoever has got interest in the learning the different things, he can directly go for various fields, and they can learn in the defense forces, and he will be groomed over there if you have an interest. So I hope all these slides will analyze you, will understand you maximum. If you have any kind of query, you can call me on my 7667302252. As you can see, this is my mobile number, this is my YouTube channel. Really, I'm telling guys, if you want to prepare for any kind of central government jobs, you will have the content in English, but the explanation will be in Telugu. So don't worry, you will have the content in English. Whoever is good at English, you can directly go for it. Thank you guys, have a good day. I request you people to share to maximum youth. Let them get what exactly the tour of duty is, and how this help you in getting your shape, like whatever the career into the streamline. Thank you guys, have a good day. Please like it, and I want you guys to share it to maximum people.